It's not what you did, son, that angers me, sir. It's who you did it to.
Who? The fucking nobody?
That fucking nobody is John Wick.
People keep asking if I'm back. But now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
You call him Baba Yaga was the one you sent to kill the fucking boogeyman. John is a man of focus. Commitment, something you know very little. I once saw him kill 3 men in a bar. With a fucking pencil.
You, Jonathan, do what you do best.
What's that?
Hunt.
ஆரம்பிக்கலாங்களா